Hi, I'm Jared Zimmerman, and this is Mother's Ultimate Hybrid One-Step Ceramic Clay and Coat. It's an all-in-one surface prep and preservation system. Featuring a balanced blend of advanced science and traditional car care, this combination seamlessly unites trusted and time-tested methods and the natural protection of carnauba wax with the cutting-edge nano-quartz ceramic technology of today. Regardless of where you live, your car's finish is exposed to a variety of potentially damaging contaminants. Paint overspray, water spots, fresh tree sap, rail dust, bird droppings, light oxidation, and brake dust may seem harmless, but left alone, these particles can cause molecular breakdown of your paint, leaving the finish dull and vulnerable to further deterioration. Ultimate Hybrid One-Step Ceramic Clay and Coat will stop this damage, restore brilliance, and leave a just-coated, super-hydrophobic, liquidy-gloss appearance to your car's paint, chrome, glass, and smooth plastics. The patented synthetic clay tool, when paired with Mother's Ultimate Hybrid Ceramic Detailer and Bead Booster, glides safely across your paint, shearing off and removing both surface and embedded contaminants. The unique texture of the advanced rubber polymer layer is critical in keeping debris suspended in the lubricant while continually channeling it out and away from your paint surface. And best of all, you'll be left with a long-lasting silicone dioxide fortified shine that repels water and contaminants with ease. Clay and coat in one step. It's that easy. Mother's Ultimate Hybrid, advanced wax and ceramic technology. The best of both worlds, but better.